Solved problems. Income statement. Problem. Prepare the income statement using the information for Latan Ugan Company and KE Todd I Company. All of the companies are ended on December 31. Number, service income, direct labor, direct material, salary expenses, utilities, rent, supplies. 1. Nakapi Company. Service income 55,000, direct labor 2,500, direct materials 1,000, salaries expenses 16,000, utilities 2,000, rent 5,000, supplies 4,000. 2. Latan Ugan Company. Service income 89,700, direct labor 5,200, direct material 20,450, salaries expense 12,360, utilities 4,580, rent 6,000, supplies 5,000. 3. KE Todd I Company. Service income 148,300, direct labor 2,420, direct materials 32,200, salary expense 24,000, utilities expense 6,820, rent 10,000, supplies 9,020. Follow the example from the format below. Nakapi Company. Income statement for the year ended December 31. Service income 55,000, direct labor less 2,500, direct material less 15,000, direct cost of services less 17,500, salary expense less 16,000, utility expense less 2,000, rent expense less 5,000, supplies less 4,000, total expenses less 27,000, total net income 10,500. Solution. Latan Ugan Company income statement for the year ended December 31. Service income 89,700, direct labor less 5,200, direct materials less 20,450, direct cost of service less 25,650, salaries expense less 12,360, utilities less 4,580, rent less 6,000, supplies less 5,000, total expenses less 27,940, net income 36,110. KE Todd I Company income statement for the year ended December 31. Service income 148,300, direct labor less 2,420, direct material less 32,200, direct cost of service less 35,620, salaries expense less 24,000, utilities expense less 6,820, rent less 10,000, supplies less 9,020, total expenses less 49,840, net income or net loss is equal to, net income is equal to 63,840. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.